Alrighty now, let's move to the letter R in the ABCs of digital marketing. For R, we'll explore remarketing and reputation management. You may be asking, what is remarketing? Remarketing is a digital marketing strategy that targets users who have previously interacted with your website or your app, but they didn't complete a desired action such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Remarketing helps you reconnect with these potential customers, showing them relevant ads as they browse other sites or social media platforms. Remarketing typically uses cookies to track users' online behavior and display personalized ads based on their previous interactions. What is reputation management? Reputation management refers to the process of monitoring and influencing how your brand is perceived online. It involves managing customer reviews, social media mentions, and other forms of feedback to ensure that your business maintains a positive image and responds to any potential issues promptly. Reputation management includes proactive efforts to build a strong, trustworthy online presence, as well as reactive efforts to address negative reviews or comments. Why is reputation management important? Trust and credibility, influence purchase decisions, minimizes negative impact, and customer loyalty. How remarketing and reputation management work together. Remarketing to positive reviewers. Use remarketing to target customers who have left positive reviews or interacted favorably with your brand. You can engage them further with special offers or updates. Addressing negative feedback. If a customer leaves a negative review, reputation management allows you to respond promptly, while remarketing can help you re-engage them later and improve messaging or offers. Reinforce positive perceptions. Remarketing can remind potential customers of your positive reputation, showing them reviews, showing them testimonies, or case studies that highlight your brand's strengths. The power of R in digital marketing. The letter R represents remarketing and reputation management, two strategies that help businesses re-engage potential customers and maintain a positive online presence. Remarketing allows you to target users who have interacted with your brand but haven't converted, while reputation management helps you build trust and credibility through positive online reviews and feedback. Together, these strategies ensure that your business not only attracts customers, but also retains them through consistent engagement and a solid online reputation. Everything that your business needs. Keep sprouting.